Now, if you understood the previous example, application example, let's do another one. So please stop the video, prepare your worksheet on Excel, and let's do the calculation together. Try to do it alone, but if you have any difficulty, just follow the steps on this video. Okay, so before starting, let's present the bill of material for product X. Product X is assembled from component Y and component Z. Product X need to be assembled 1 week. The lead time is 1 week for X, the lead time for Y is 1 week, and the lead time for Z, be careful here, we need 2 weeks. The component Y is not purchased, it's assembled. Assembling Y require 2 components, W and V. W needs 1 week lead time and V needs 2 weeks lead time. So let's explode and offset for the product X. The quantity needed is 200 for week 5. We need 1 week, the lead time is 1 week to assemble product X. So we should schedule release here in week 4. The value is simple to calculate, is 200, the same quantity required as received on week 5. X is composed from Y and Z. So let's start with Y. Y, the quantity needed, we suppose that for each X we need one part, one Y. So we need 200 items. The release should be scheduled 1 week before, because the lead time is 1 week, so we put 200 here. Z is the parent of Z is X, so it will be received in week 4, and we suppose that for each product X we need one component Z. So 200, but the lead time for Z is 2 weeks. We need here to schedule a release 2 weeks earlier. Now Y, which should be released at week 3, which should be released at week 3, require V and W. The quantity is always 200, because always for each component, for each parent, we need one component. So 200 here. The lead time for V is 2 weeks, so we should schedule release here. And for Y, the receipt should be in week 3, because the parent is Y. So here, in the same week, we need to offset or schedule the receipt, and only 1 week is the lead time for W. So 1 week earlier we can put the quantity to release. So this is another example which a little bit more difficult than the previous example. But still now we are not making an MRP, but just discovering the calculation techniques to explode and to offset the quantities for components which figure in the bill of material. So we will go into discover the MRP calculations step by step.